This is a new Ethernet jack. The cables legitimately just pass straight through once you get them all nice and organized, which means you can jam that up there as far as you can. And when you go to put it into the machine, this is the new crimper. It will slice the cables off of the end of the jack. Like so. Goes in. All the way, locked in. Voila. Tight as a drum. Yeah. Voila. A beautiful Ethernet cable. Beautifully terminated. Alright, and then if you're smart enough, you would have remembered to put this on before. Hey presto, you've made yourself an Ethernet cable.